Hi everyone, good morning, good day. Trust everyone had a great week. Today we are going to unbox an order from Amazon. So it's just a small box. It arrived yesterday, but I did not open it right away because I want to make this video, unboxing video. So let's do it. There you go. They always put this plastic here to protect the item from the inside. And here's the item. Oops, sorry about that. There is not really receipt in the box, but it says here this is from somewhere. So here's a purple bag. A purple bag. We'll unzip it. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. And there you go. This is a crochet hook that lights up. It's an LED crochet hook. Excuse me. This is very cute. I forgot how much I paid, but I will put it in the description box below, or I'll put it there. So I have here this hook. Oh, see? There's light. Open your mouth. Yeah, there. And we have this. Look, the hook. So this is the handle, and this is the hook. You put here, and you can use this even even if it's dark. You can use it. Yeah. Only one level of light. So even if it's dark, you can still crochet because you have light in your hook. So there are different hook sizes of hooks here. I don't know the numbers yet, but there are different sizes of hooks. Well, looks like I like it. It's light. It's rechargeable, by the way. So this is the cable for charging. I like the bag. You have the ruler. That's in the box, in the package. And you have this cutter, purple cutter. And you have needles, the metallic one needles. And you also have plastic needles. And then, ooh, I like this because I used a different one. It's actually from my husband's shirt. Every time we buy his church or his Sunday shirt, I save the hooks that they used for the collar. But now I have this plastic one. And then I'm not really sure what is this for. I have to check it because I never used this. And oh, this makes the job easier. Counter. There's a counter, so it helps me remember what round am I crocheting. So this is very, very helpful. So it's cute. It's small one. You just have to see. There are two holes there with numbers 9, 0 to 9, and the other side is 0 to 9. So you have oh, you can't use if it's 100. Yeah, well, you'll just, it's only a 2-digit number. So I'm excited to use this, hopefully tonight, if I'm not tired from work. Yep, so that's it. That's in the box. And I will put the price below, how much I paid for this package. Ordered it from Amazon. So there's also a like driver here for the hook, maybe. I'm not sure yet, but I will explore and I will let you know how this one works and if I like it. But right now, it's a good buy. It's a great buy, and I like it. And it's all the handle is already charged. It's charged, so it's ready to use. But tonight, if I will use it, I will charge it overnight. Maybe, I don't know. I have to read the instruction. I have to go back to Amazon and read their description there because I did not get receipt or any manual. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day, or hope you had a great week, and enjoy your weekend. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye bye. Don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe.